Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Infinix is awake and charged, then go straight to Settings. Once inside, open Apps and Notifications, then see All Apps because you need the app-specific controls. Make sure to find WhatsApp in the list and tap its entry. This gets you to the App Info screen where network permissions and data usage live. Don't go to broader Wi-Fi settings yet. Work in the app context so you can precisely stop only WhatsApp's internet access. Once on WhatsApp's app info, choose mobile data and Wi-Fi to see network toggles. Turn off background data first because that prevents background syncing. Next, explicitly revoke mobile data and Wi-Fi permissions so WhatsApp can't use either connection when you want it blocked. Make sure to check data saver exceptions and remove WhatsApp from any unrestricted list. If battery optimization is disabled, re-enable normal restrictions, finish by force stopping WhatsApp and then testing, enable Wi-Fi and mobile briefly. WhatsApp should not connect. If you still see activity, clear the app cache. This removes queued network tasks, then force stop again. Reboot the phone to ensure permission changes take effect. If WhatsApp still reaches the internet, double-check any VPN or system firewall app that may override permissions. Lastly, make sure you did not grant device admin or accessibility access that can bypass network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.